Now that we've got those creases put in, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and open our model back up, like so. And fold our pieces down like this. Now you can see I've already put this new crease in, which is what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over to where this line stays level with this line here. Fold it over here. It's going to stay good. And with this crease that we've already put in it, we're just going to take it and fold it back up, like so. I'm going to open it back up. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to take, we're going to fold like this, making sure this stays even with that, like this. And this line will also be horizontal, cut right along this line here. And then we'll fold our line back up this way and unfold it. There we go. Got it started. Now what we're going to do is just leave it like this and go to the next step.